Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Saya Muhammad Azrizal bin Abdul Wahab. Nombor metrik 15DAT21F1050 ingin membentangkan tunjuk cara permainan sukan catur. Asas sebuah catur. Catur dimainkan oleh dua orang pemain. Seorang pemain berwarna putih dan seorang lagi berwarna hitam. Setiap pemain mempunyai 16 buah catur dan setiap buah catur mempunyai nilai masing-masing. Gerakan bagi setiap buah catur adalah berbeza. Sila saksikan video yang telah disediakan. Juga cara setiap buah catur memakan buah catur yang lain. Ianya sama seperti pergerakan buah catur. Sila tonton video yang telah disediakan di bawah.
One question about capturing that we haven't answered is, how do you notate a capture? Let's say in this position that you plan on taking the black queen with your queen on b3. A good idea. You would write the piece that will capture it, in this case, the queen. So we use a capital Q. You then write an X, which means captures. And then you write the square where the piece gets captured. So after queen takes e6, we would write Q, X, e6. Here is one more capturing question. How do we notate a pawn capturing a rook and promoting to a queen at the same time? Does it sound complicated? Don't worry, it's just one extra step. We start by notating the capture. Remember, we mark a pawn with the file that it is currently on. In this case, the pawn is on the B file. So we would write a lowercase b, then we would write captures, which is an X, so lowercase b, X, and then the square that we capture, A8. So BX A8. So far, we have BXA8. Since we are promoting to a queen, you simply add to the end of your move an equal sign, and then write which piece you are promoting the pawn into, which is usually the queen. So putting it all together, we would write b takes a8 equals queen. Now it's your turn to practice capturing pieces.
Terdapat beberapa cara untuk menyelamatkan king, iaitu salah satunya merupakan castling. Sila saksikan video di bawah.
Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to castle in chess, and you can either castle to the left or you can castle to the right. And if you want to castle to the left, that means you move your king 2 spaces to the left, and then the castle jumps the king and lands in 1 cell to the right, and that's all happens in 1 move.
Di dalam setiap permainan ada keadaan yang kiteri dengan pihak lawan. Begitu dekat dengan chess. Sila saksikan video yang saya tunjukkan untuk menerangkan keadaan draw dalam chess.
There is another kind of mate on the board called stalemate. Stalemate is what happens when your king is not in check, but you also have no other legal move on the board. And when this happens, it's a draw and nobody wins. You might be absolutely winning your game and about to checkmate the opponent's king, but if you fall into stalemate, it's a draw. This is best explained with some examples. In this position with white to move, the game would be a stalemate, because white's only piece, the king, does not have any legal squares to move to, and white is not in check. In this position, let's say white plays queen to c2. The queen gets 1 square closer to the king, but notice black's king is not in check and black does not have a legal move in this position. The position is a stalemate. Remember, in chess, you're never forced to make an illegal move, so black cannot put the king onto a square where it would be captured. In this position, can you find a better move for white? White can actually win the game in just 1 move after queen b2 checkmate. Remember, your opponent can never be in stalemate if they are in check.